Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead, and today I'm gonna try. Oh no, it's gonna happen. I'm gonna dig a trench for a culvert with my Betstco. Yeah, I'll put it right here. Towable trencher, and we'll see how this thing digs. It is kind of raining and wet, but tomorrow I'm getting this thing blacktopped, so I gotta get my culvert put in at the end of the drive. And it is what it is. So we're gonna get this thing dug. I'll show you how I'm planning on doing it, and then we'll get some shots of it digging, and hopefully it works out as a plan. Be right back. Here's the setup here. Got the truck going with the little caution light, trying to look all legit. The plan is to leave this thing hitched to the truck, tow it, get this knocked out, and hopefully, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, maybe 30, and be done with it. There's not a lot of ditch here, but the county says it's got to have a culvert, so got an 8-inch corrugated, double-walled, smooth-walled pipe that we're going to stick in here, and like I said, hopefully get this done nice and quick and easy, and we'll see how it goes. Got the culvert pipe in here, and went ahead and marked the driveway off. Nobody should be pulling in here anyways, but just in case. So, but I'm gonna leave this till tomorrow when the guys come to blacktop this to make sure this is the depth they want. Plus, to bring in some dense grade gravel, so we'll put a scoop of that or so. Make sure that's tucked in there nice. But did pretty good. That is a 8-inch culvert pipe and the 12-inch bucket on that thing. So to me, that was just about perfect as far as the width goes, because you got plenty of room to move it if you need to. Yeah, worked out great. Went quick, easy. Left it hooked up to the truck. What that mainly did for me, just so I'm gonna turn you around. Okay, the main reason I left it hooked to the truck to do this job, I knew it wasn't gonna take, you know, less than an hour altogether. And to me, it's a pain in the butt to turn it from tow mode back to regular mode, back to tow mode. Just haven't done that much. The more I do it, the easier it gets. Plus, it's wet and muddy out here, so picking up those tires and getting them on me, trying to stay a little bit clean. But that's it for now. Another great job of this little machine. Really love having it around. Makes easy work of digging a lot better than doing it by hand. That's it for now. Like, share, and subscribe, and have a good one.